Well, tonight's changemaker is Dr. Daryl Gioffre. He's a celebrity nutritionist and author who's helped thousands of people overcome their cravings and transform their health. He explains how the lockdown has really caused a cycle of stress eating that leads to sugar cravings and what people can do to gain control.
Changemakers, brought to you by Adapt Community Network, empowering people through innovative solutions one person at a time. We change.
Dr. Daryl Gioffre says acid is the enemy when it comes to maintaining a healthy diet, and it's a focus of his book, Get Off Your Acid.
What does get off your acid mean?
Get off your acid is really about a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle that's been praised by celebs, including Kelly Ripa.
Dr. Gioffre made a new powder that goes into your coffee. What's it called?
Acid kicking coffee alkalizer.
Yeah, and and I've got to tell you, it's delicious.
It's amazing, yeah.
There's foods that make your body more alkaline, and then there's foods that make your body more acidic. Things like sugar, I want to say the biggest acid or drug of them all, metabolizes into lactic acid. Things like grains become sulfuric acid.
The coronavirus pandemic packs a double dose of potential health sabotage, with a long-term lockdown leading to high levels of stress and sugar cravings.
In the beginning, people were really focused on what can I do to boost my immunity? What I learned was that the bigger issue people were having was they've gone to this stressful form of eating. People have literally gained 15, 20 pounds because of what they've done from this stressful diet. So I'm really trying to help people go from this stressful form of eating more to a strength form of eating. More foods like dark green leafy vegetables, healthy fats.
Talk a little bit about tips to help people get off of these sugar cravings.
One of my favorites is taking something called apple cider vinegar, which has an ingredient called acetic acid, which is known to stabilize your insulin, your blood sugar.
Mix the apple cider vinegar with some Ceylon cinnamon, sea salt, in about 8 ounces of water.
And you just sip that over the next 20, 30 minutes. And if you have a craving, sure enough, that will stop that craving right in its track.
Then there's a sugar craving fat bomb, a simple mix of coconut oil and sea salt that's packed with healthy saturated fat.
And I'm telling you, when you eat more fat, it's gonna suppress hunger, it's gonna satiate you, and it's gonna stop your body from craving those carbs right there in that moment.
Another tip, stay hydrated with the goal of drinking up to 3 liters of water throughout the day.
We have to understand that when these cravings come, thirst and hunger go to the same part of the brain. So many times we weren't just hungry or craving that sugar, we were just dehydrated. The approach just needs to be start to add the good things into the body once again. And before you know it, the good's gonna start to outweigh the bad.
Which is always good. Well, Dr. Gioffre also recommends some digital detox and regular breathing exercises to try and help reduce stress during this time. By the way, if you know a change maker, reach out to me on Facebook at Tamsin Fidel.